This is my old shower head. What I really need just to replace this is this middle part over here, because this still works and this still works, but it's pretty grimy. You can see I don't feel like cleaning it, so just gonna replace it, and I'll show you how it leaks. You can see the water deposits over here. See, it's leaking pretty easily. So I'm gonna take that off. Leaks from over here too. I should probably just replace this and I could still use all this other stuff, but like I said, just easier to replace the whole thing. So that's my problem. This costs around $25 for this set, I think. And I bought it off of Staples on a sale, but it just didn't last. I've had this for 7 years, 8 years, maybe less, maybe 6 years, I don't know. Today I'm taking off my shower head. I'm a big amateur, but anyways, should be straightforward. I just have to make sure I don't bend this thing over here. There is, thankfully there is this, which I'll put to this, and I just need to screw. Righty is tighty, lefty is loosey, so I have to move it up. So let's see about that. So as I said, I just need to move this way, and it should loosen it. And thankfully I didn't do it too hard. It works, and I keep on doing it until it comes out. Easy peasy. Nothing super squeezy. So again, all I'm doing is screwing it this way, and I have to hold it a little bit. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes, but should hold it. Here's it off. I'm going to try to clean that off first. And then this is with it off. Maybe I can purchase a diverter somewhere. That way I can salvage this maybe. I talked about it, but I feel kind of bad. This diverter seems pretty cheap. I think it might be cheap. Okie dokie. That is my